That's the sound of the GPUs working on the chain. In the immortal words of Sir Alec Guinness, you must do what you feel is right. Let's mine some Radiant coin using Windows and AMD. Hello, back again. Once again, we're doing this in a controlled environment, so be careful. We're going to download the SRBMiner from the SRBMiner.com. And we're going to download, from the GitHub. And from there, we're going to scroll down a little bit. We're going to click on the Windows zip version, download it. Once it's done downloading, we're going to extract it. And I like to rename things because sometimes you may have to use this from a command prompt for whatever reason, and I like to do that. Once it is finally extracted, let's get to renaming it. Let's cut it out of there and paste it, and we're going to rename it to SRB if I can figure out where it is. There we go. And we're also going to do some virus total checks on the file to see what it says. Once again, you do these things at your own risk. And that is advice. So I wouldn't suggest this, but make your friends download it. And if it blows up their computer, don't download it. Just kidding, don't do that. So I'm checking the sys files too. So DLL, sys, exes, com, pretty much everything but a batch file I'll usually check in the virus total. Now let's actually rename some file. Copy it, rename it, and we're going to create the coin parameters using mining pool stats. So we don't want to use the stuff that's in here because it's wrong, but what we want to do is go to mining pool stats. Once we're in there, we're going to type in the coin Radiant, and we're going to click on the coin again, and we're going to go to our plant. Now, I may not be mining our plant on my main rigs, but this is just for testing. So we're going to scroll down to the coin Radiant. We're going to click connect. We're going to tell it we're using SRBMiner, we're using Windows, we're using America, and we're going to copy and paste our address out of there from Notepad++. I'm going to paste that in the wallet address. And there it is. We're going to copy that out of there. We're going to paste it into the batch file. And because I'm a little blind, I didn't see the pause there, so I undid it and I redid it again. And I saw the pause and I hit enter, and then Control S for save. And start mining Radiant. Let's do it. So far, so good. And it appears to be accepting the hashes. And we're running like a champ. And even though we see it's working, I always like to go to the pool and see that it's actually showing up in the pool that we're hashing to. So I copied the address, I'm pasting the address in there. Or I thought I was pasting the address. I was pasting the command line. Let's paste the address in there. Paste it, set it, and there it is. Our worker is a 0 and it's hashing away just like we wanted it to. Thanks for watching.